Hello guys, good evening. This video will be the part 7 of the obligations of the vendor. So this is the last part. This video tackled about conditions and warranties under the obligations of the vendor. So let's start. Conditions and warranties. Conditions in a contract of sale. So let's discuss first the conditions. This is Article 1545 of the Law on Sale. So let me read to you. Where the obligations of either party in a contract of sale is subject to a condition, to any condition which is not performed, so such party may refuse to proceed with the contract, or he may waive performance of the condition. If the other party has promised that the condition should happen or be performed, such first-mentioned party may also treat the non-performance of the condition as a breach of warranty. Where the ownership in the thing has not passed, the buyer may treat the fulfillment by the seller of his obligation to deliver the same as described and as warranty expressly or implications in the contract of sale as a condition of the obligation of the buyer to perform his promise to accept and pay for the thing. So let's digest the Article 1545. So conditions in a contract of sale. First daw, if the obligation of a party is subject to a condition, so which is not fulfilled, the other party may choose to do any of the following. So take note class, ang pinag-uusapan dito, yung right dito is yung on the part of the aggrieved party. First, refuse to proceed with the contract. So, wag na lang natin ituloy yung kontrata. He may also treat the non-performance of the condition as a breach of warranty. Next, waive the performance of the condition. So, let's have an example. B bought a laptop computer from S for 50,000, which B or the buyer agreed to pay in cash provided that S had already installed an internet connection on the computer upon its delivery to him. So take note class, the condition here is dapat meron nang na-install na internet connection upon the delivery of the laptop computer. So based on the example natin class, so let's go back. S delivered to B's place with the internet connection not yet installed. So what are the remedies available to B? So here class, sa ating example, hindi na-fulfill ni S yung condition, which is install yung internet connection sa laptop computer. So ano ang magiging remedy on the part of B? So first, he may refuse to proceed with the contract. So wag na lang ituloy yung kontrata. So by not paying the purchase price. So paano niya hindi itutuloy yung kontrata? So wag nang bayaran ni B yung price. In case S had made a promise that the internet connection would have already been installed at the time of delivery, so take note class, paano kung sabi ni S, hindi, na-install ko na yung internet connection yan. And then, B may also treat as non-performance of the condition. So take note class, bago pa man, let's say for example, before the delivery, sabi ni S, okay, i-install ko yan, i-installan ko ng internet connection yan. So with that, dahil dyan sa sinabi ni S, that is a warranty. So parang winawarrant niya na upon delivery of the computer, meron ng internet connection. But ang nangyari, pag deliver ni S doon sa place ni B, wala palang internet connection. So ang tawag doon, breach of warranty. Yun yung tinatawag na breach of warranty. By non-performance of the condition, so pwedeng i-treat yun ni buyer as a breach of warranty. And then next, another remedies on the part of B. So B may just accept the computer. and pay the price without demanding the installation of the internet connection. So, ito naman yung sinasabi dito sa number 2. So, pwede niyang, okay, sige, akin na lang yung laptop computer. So, okay na kahit walang internet connection. So, yun yung sinasabi na waive the performance. Ibig sabihin, i-waive mo yung condition or i-waive mo yung performance ng condition. So, that is condition. Next, warranties. So, kinds of warranties. Number 1, express warranty. So, what is express warranty? Refers to any affirmation of fact or any promise by the seller relating to the thing whose natural tendency is to induce the buyer to purchase the same. And if the buyer purchase the thing relying on such affirmation or promise. So, yan naman yung sinasabi sa Article 1546. So, let's say for example, bumili ka ng tela, sabi ng tendera, that is 100% wool. So, dahil doon sa sinabi ng tendera, so, that is a warranty. So, winawarrant ng seller na yung binibili mo is based on your specification. So, ibig sabihin doon class, affirmation. And then, at the same time, sinasabi yun ng seller to induce. Ibig sabihin, to induce the buyer para lang bumili yung buyer. Or di kaya, let's say for example, bibili ka ng frying pan. So, sabi ng seller, oh, this frying pan is 100% non-stick. So, based on that class, that is a warranty. So, non-stick yun. Next is statement of the seller's opinion. So dito class, statement of the seller's opinion. So, ibig sabihin, opinion lamang yun ng seller. So, let's say for example class, so this shall not be construed as a warranty unless made by an expert and it was relied upon by the buyer. So, dito naman class, statement of the seller's opinion. Let's say for example, sabi na, so the best example here is, so let's say for example, si seller nagbebenta ng mga alahas. So, then nandito ngayon si buyer, sabi ni seller kay buyer, this ring is, sabi ni seller, bilhin mo ito. Ito is, kung ipo-pawn shop mo ito, merong halaga na 50,000. So, but si seller is not an expert. Hindi siya expert. And wala siyang alam about the mga alahas. So, with that, itong si buyer, binili. So, nag-relied siya doon sa sinabi ni seller, which is just only a opinion. So, with that class, walang warranty na, walang warranty doon. It's because nga, it's just only an opinion. Para lang bilhin ni buyer yung binebenta ni seller. So, kumbaga, class, single stock yung ginagawa ni seller. Except lang class kung yung gumawa nung opinion is an expert. So, kapag expert yung gumawa and then based doon sa opinion ng expert, nag-rely yung buyer and then nagkamali yung expert, mali yung kanyang sinabi. So, meron ng breach of warranty doon. Next, implied warranty. So, what is implied warranty? So, are those that are inherent in contracts of sale and accompany them unless they are suppressed by the parties. So, there are two kinds. Number 1, letter A, warranties against eviction. So, this refers to the implied warranty on the part of the seller that he has the right to sell the thing at the time when the ownership is to pass, and that the buyer shall from that time have enjoy and legal and peaceful possession of the thing. So, ito class yung itong implied warranties, whether na-mention sila sa kontrata or hindi, meron talagang implied warranties. Take note ha. So, itong warranties against eviction naman, so, kapag si seller nagbebenta, ang winawarrant doon ni seller is walang ibang may-ari nito kundi ako lang. So, since I am the seller, so I have the right to sell the thing. Naintindihan? So, that is warranty is against eviction. Next naman, warranty against hidden defects. This refers to the implied warranty that the thing shall be free from any hidden faults or defects or any charge or encumbrances not declared or known to the buyer. So ito naman class, warranty against hidden defects, wina-warranty ito ni seller na yung ibinebenta ni seller is walang sira or walang fault doon sa goods or thing to be sold. So first, let's discuss this warranty in case of eviction. So Article 1548. So what is eviction? So 'di ba, doon sa bahay ni Kuya, so kapag ayaw na ng tao sa iyo, ini-evict ka na. So ganun din dito. So let's say for example, may binili kang lupa. So, syempre, yung kakontrata mo, yun yung may-ari. Sabi ng may-ari, akong may-ari nito. And then, here comes, sometime, meron ibang nag-claim over that property. So, eviction yun. Naintindihan? So, that is an eviction. So, but sa law, eviction is the deprivation of the vendee of the whole or a part of the thing sold by virtue of a final judgment based on a right prior to the sale or an act imputable to the vendor. So, dinideprive yung right ng vendee. It can be the whole thing or part of it. Naintindihan? And at the same time, by virtue of final judgment. So, ibig sabihin, class, ang eviction, mag-a-arise lang ito kapag meron ng final judgment ng korte. So, ang korte lang magsasabi kung merong eviction na nangyari or wala. Next, requisites in order that the seller's warrant against eviction may be enforced. So, what are the requisites? Number 1, the purchaser has been deprived of the whole or part of the thing sold. So, dapat class, ma-establish ng purchaser na na-deprive yung kanyang rights. Number 2, the eviction is by final judgment. So, number 2 requisites, dapat may final judgment ng korte. Siyempre, yung korte lang magsasabi ng judgment. The vendee need not appeal from the decision or judgment in order that the vendor may become liable for eviction. So, mamaya class, tandaan nyo ito, Article 1549, malalaman nyo ito, anong meaning nito. Number 3, that deprivation is based on a right prior to the sale or act imputable to the vendor. So, take note class, ang deprivation na nangyayari, meron ng eviction or alam na ng before mangyari yung sale or before yung ma-perfect yung contract of sale, meron na talagang deprivation na nangyari, which is hindi lang alam ng vendee. Naintindihan? Next, the vendor have been notified of the suit for eviction at the instance of the vendee. So, persons not liable for the breach of warranty. So, sino sila? Number 1, sheriff. Number 2, auctioneer. Number 3, mortgagee. Number 4, pledgee. And number 5, other persons professing to sell by virtue of authority in fact or law.